So in this quick tip, I want to look at how we can use face relate options in an existing model, or in this case a imported model. Synchronous technology does a good job of recognizing relationships in geometry. So some of the examples are symmetric, concentric, aligned holes. So if I click on this hole here, I can start dragging it around in the plane, and you'll see that it's picked up tangency and concentric. What it's not doing is the wall thickness is changing because there's nothing guiding the inner surface. But in our design, we want to actually maintain this wall thickness to be a constant thickness. So we can use the face relate offset command. So if I click on here, right mouse click to accept it, and then click on the outside surface, it recognizes that there's a 4mm gap in there, and we can just enter to accept it. Alternatively, we could change that at that time. So if we do the other one as well, you'll see over in the Pathfinder we actually have the offsets being displayed, and if we click on it, you can see where it's coming into play, and we can even change the value on that as well. So now if we come back and modify this hole here, you'll see that it maintains that wall thickness and the design intent of what we're after. So because this is not orthogonal or whatever, it gives us the ability to be able to adjust how that all works. Another example in this file here is that we've got some tabs on the end here. Again, it's picking up the live rules, and it's seeing that we've got symmetry about the main planes, but the probable intent on this is that these tabs will be symmetric around the center of these holes. So I'm going to overcome that by adding in a reference plane, and I'm just going to copy this one here, and then using the steering wheel I'm going to drag it down to the center point of that tab. Now if I use the symmetric option, I can pick two ends and then the plane in the middle, and now we can see that we've got that symmetric relationship in here, and it shows me the two planes that it's working from. Now if I adjust this option here, you'll see that it's maintaining the symmetry based on that plane. For further control, we could apply some smart dimensions, and now if I say dimension that width, and we'll lock that in, and if we adjust here now, you'll see that it's keeping symmetry about the center line plus symmetry about the plane as well. Likewise, if I come in here and start adjusting that,